I never knew that I would be this big as a personal athlete, and then to transition from this now and making these type of move, for me, it's like a dream come true.
The Caribbean has produced many celebrities. Each island has its own famous sons and daughters. Some of them are millionaires and have a huge fan following worldwide. Welcome to Jamaican Things, and today we bring you 10 of the richest celebrities from the Caribbean. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Number 10. Wyclef. This Jamaican singer-musician is also an actor. He made his fortune through his many hit singles like Wild World and Reggae Night. He was awarded the Order of Merit by the Jamaican government in 2003 for his contributions to Jamaican music and films. Number 9. Ziggy Marley. This Jamaican musician is the son of legendary reggae musician Bob Marley. Ziggy Marley and his siblings recorded with their father on the 1979 album Playing in the Streets. He has a net worth of $10.5 million. Number 8. Sean Paul. This Jamaican Grammy-winning dancehall rapper and reggae artist rose to fame with the Dutty Cup crew before going solo. He has been nominated for 5 Grammy Awards and won a Grammy in 2004. Sean Paul has an estimated net worth of $12 million. Number 7. Stephen Marley. This Jamaican-American musician is another of Bob Marley's son. He has performed solo and has also collaborated with various artists. As a solo artist, he has released 4 studio albums, starting with Mild Control in March 2007. The album won a Grammy Award for the Best Reggae Album. Stephen Marley has a net worth of $20 million. Number 6. Damian Marley. This Jamaican reggae singer and songwriter is also a son of, you guessed it, reggae artist Bob Marley. His mother, Cindy Breakspeare, won the title of Miss World in 1976. He has released several albums with numerous #1 hits, including Welcome to Jamrock, Set Up Shop, and Road to Zion featuring Nas. Number 5. Wyclef Jean. This Haitian-American rapper is a singer-songwriter, musician, producer, and politician. He is best known as a former member of the Fugees. He also had a very successful solo career. Wyclef Jean has an estimated net worth of $50 million. Number 4. Rita Marley. Rita Marley is the widow of Bob Marley and was a member of the trio The I-Trees, who were Bob Marley's backup singers. She earned her fortune as a reggae singer with numerous #1 hits. After her husband's death, she established the Bob Marley Foundation, a charitable organization to fight poverty and hunger in developing nations. She has an estimated net worth of $50 million. Number 3. Usain Bolt. This Jamaican sprinter is the fastest human being in the world. Born in Sherwood, Trelawney, in a small community in Jamaica, he made much of his fortune through track and sports endorsements around the world. He has set world records in 100, 200, and the 4x100 meter relays. He won 3 gold medals in 2008 Beijing Olympics, 5 gold medals, and 2 silver medals in the World Championships competitions. He has an estimated net worth of $90 million US. Number 2. Nicki Minaj. This Trinidadian American rapper and R&B singer-songwriter is known for collaborating with other recording artists and providing guest rap appearances on popular singles. She was also one of the celebrity judges on American Idol during the show's 2013 season. Nicki Minaj has already paved an entirely new path for female artists and continues to make history as the wealthiest female rapper, surpassing a net worth of $100 million US. Number 1. Rihanna. Famous first as a singer, Barbados-born singer Robin Rihanna Fenty has since evolved into a style icon and makeup entrepreneur, and soon she'll be the first black woman in charge of a major luxury fashion house. All those efforts add up to a $600 million fortune, making her the wealthiest female musician in the world, ahead of the likes of Madonna, Celine Dion, and Beyoncé, according to Forbes magazine. Do you agree with our list? Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.
So what kind of boss are you?
I mean, you probably have to ask them, but I think I'm pretty fun. I don't think of myself as a boss. Just try to keep it light and fun, not too serious, because it doesn't make sense if you're not having a good time.